it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our November 2024 virtual class. With our virtual classes, there is a die requirement, so in this case 4 dies from our latest release, plus an additional foundation die of the Lorna label pop-up. For our first card, we'll combine that foundation die, the Lorna label pop-up, along with the new Merry Christmas Lorna add-ons. What the add-ons set does is convert a solid label pop-up into a floating word pop-up. So it will say Merry Christmas, and then you are going to have the choice on the fishtail banner. We will pre-print a couple of the greetings off of our new Season of Cheer clear stamp set. So you can choose fa la 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 la, or you can choose to have that fishtail banner say and Happy New Year. The beautiful pattern papers are from Simple Stories. Our second card is going to feature our new photo fan pop-up. So we will be doubling it in this card. So it'll have 2 fans inside. So you can see all of the fun embellishments. A lot of them will be made using the new snow charms along with the charm rings. However, there are some that will just cut out some of the parts of the pattern paper. So a great way to mix pre-printed elements with die-cut elements. Okay, let's talk about kit options. Your best value is going to be to bundle those 4 brand new dies with your paper extras and instructions as a full bundle. And then you would just have to add on your required foundation die, the Lorna label pop-up, if you didn't already own it. Now, it does happen at times that people find out about the classes after they've already purchased 1 or more of the required dies. So if that happens, you do have the option to purchase just your paper extras and instructions and eliminate the dies. But let me be very, very clear. You need the dies. You need all 5 of these dies to be able to cut your kit. Your kit itself is going to be those bulk materials, and then you are going to be using the required dies to convert those bulk materials into something that's ready to assemble. And you do that by following along with the very detailed PDF handouts and prep work video that arrives to you by email 10 days before the class premiere. Once you have your kits cut, then you're ready for that class day premiere video. Now, it is pre-recorded, so you don't have to watch it at the premiere time. If you do happen to watch it at premiere, I will be in the chat box to answer some questions. We do make the class day videos public, so you can watch the class day video even if you didn't purchase a kit. However, the prep work side is exclusive to kit holders, and that's where all of the measurements are. So you definitely want to buy a kit if you want to make these exact cards in these measurements, because that's all covered in the handouts and the prep work video, and those are exclusive to kit holders. The class day video will premiere on this YouTube channel on November 16th, 2024 at 4 p.m. Central. That is later than usual because we have a Zoom class in the morning. So people that want to craft all day, maybe you want to sign up for the Zoom class and the virtual class. You will find out information about where to get kits by going to our website, karenburniston.com, clicking on the Events tab. We will have a limited number of kits for this class available on our website starting October 28th when the dies go up. You can also get them from 5 participating stores. Hope to see you there.